Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that matrilineal is a system where the family, descent, identity, and inheritance are traced through the mother's side and not the father's? You're welcome back to Igbo Tradition My Heritage, and today I will be discussing a mind-blowing topic: matrilineal. Igbo traditional society, what we are used to is patrilineal. You know, tracing your lineage and your inheritance through your father. But in this case, matrilineal, your family descent, inheritance, and identity from your mother's side. Although mother's bloodline, Ikwu-Nne, plays significant roles in Igbo traditional society, to the extent there is a saying, also chubage ebala Ikwu-Nne. When there is danger, when one faces danger in his or her father's community or family, the person runs to his or her maternal side, where he or she will get what? Protection. Even we saw that in Things Fall Apart, when that person committed murder, he ran to his maternal side. So maternal home, maternal side, they play significant roles in Igbo traditional society. Even there are some rituals, or there are some things, one would want to do that will require one, inviting the maternal side. But in this case, their family descent, their identity and inheritance, they are from the maternal side, not father's side. Yes, Igbo society, Igbo community, Abiriba people, Afikpo, and Ohafia, they practice matrilineal pre-colonial era, during pre-colonial era, before the coming of the white men. Like I said, coming of the white men disrupted a whole lot of things. So I don't know their present day practice. Definitely it will be dual descent. But during pre-colonial era, it was matrilineal. When a man dies, the sister's children inherit his properties, and the maternal uncle plays very significant role in the lives of the children. He is like a guardian and a support, plays that support system to the children. the man's own children get their inheritance from their mother's side, from their maternal uncle. So it's not as if nothing for them. From their mother's side, why the man's own properties go to the sister's children. It is said that the man could give gifts to his children while still alive, but not ancestral land, because it is, because from the maternal side is that continuity of lineage. So whatever that has to do with ancestral land inheritance, it has to be on from the maternal side. Even when a daughter is getting married, the maternal uncle plays a major role. It's mind-blowing, honestly. Even me, I find it so strange, because we are not, it's like, what happens to that? But anyway, it's not as if the father is irrelevant. And somebody will say, okay, what name does the child bear? The child bears the father's name, but as it is said, the father's name is just for social recognition. But the major thing is that inheritance, but that lineage, that continuity, it's from the maternal side. Ọ na-ala n'Ikwu-Nne, nke ha lara n'Ikwu-Nne. Unlike what we are used to in Igbo culture. Patrilineal. Father, your inheritance, lineage from the father. But Afikpo, Abiriba, Ohafia from the mother's side. I know, well, somebody will say it's a hybrid. Yeah, it's a hybrid, but I don't want to go into that. It's a hybrid. It's a hybrid. So that's something I just want to share with us, that there are some Igbo communities that practice matrilineal, please, not matriarchy. There is a difference between matriarchy and matrilineal, because matriarchy is absolute, a woman being in charge, you're being the head, being in charge. But is matrilineal, inheritance comes from the mother's side. So this is a very mind-blowing. Honestly, I don't know about it before. So to me, it's a mind-blowing. It's a mind-blowing culture. I just got to know, and I said, let me share with us. So I'll be seeing you in my next video, where I will be discussing another interesting Igbo culture. Igbo Amaka.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold.